बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम मॉडल पेपर नंबर 53 से शुरू करेंगे। 53 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु वाज द वाइसराय ऑफ इंडिया फ्रॉम 1899 to 1905? The person name was, the viceroy name was Lord Curzon. Next, the deputation of Muslim leader to the viceroy Lord Minto II seeking separate electorate was headed by Aga Khan. मुस्लिम लीडर जो थे सर आगा खान वो मुस्लिम लीग के पहले प्रेसिडेंट भी थे। वाई मुस्लिम ऑब्जर्व डे ऑफ डिलीवरेंस? बिकॉज ऑफ एंड ऑफ कांग्रेस मिनिस्ट्रीज एंड मुस्लिम्स डे ऑब्जर्व द डे ऑफ डिलीवरेंस every year on 22 December 1939. Which gas is used in electric bulb? That is nitrogen. Next, Belgium is also known as the cockpit of Europe. Buddhist emperor Ashoka belonged to which dynasty? He belonged to dynasty of Mauryan. Buddhist emperor Ashoka belonged to which dynasty? He belonged to Mauryan. State of Kashmir was purchased by Gulab Singh for 7.5 million rupees. In which constitution Islam was declared as religion of the state? In Constitution of 1973. दोबारा सुने, in which constitution Islam was declared religion of the state? That is in Constitution of 1973. Next, which is the biggest freshwater lake in the world? That is Lake Superior. Which peninsula lies between the Black Sea and the Sea of Azov? That is a Crimean. Which peninsula lies between the Black Sea and Sea of Azov? That is a Crimean. The distance between the Earth and Sun is smallest in the month of January. Next, which is the longest river of the world? That is a Darya Nil. What do you understand by en route? En route is on the way. Next is name the American president who gave resign. That is Richard Nixon. Who is said to be the father of modern Olympic? That is a Pierre de Coubertin. Pierre de Coubertin. Who is said to be the father of modern Olympics? That is Pierre de Coubertin. Which team has won the football World Cup most of the time? That is Brazil. Al-Biruni discovered the radius of the earth which was 6338 km. दोबारा सुने, Al-Biruni discovered the radius of the earth that was 6338 km. Next one, which of the following term is used for the murder of a king? That is a regicide. Which of the following term is used for the murder of king? That is regicide. Who among the following is regarded as the forerunner of revenue administration in the medieval India? That is Sher Shah. दोबारा सुने, who among the following is regarded as the forerunner of revenue administration in the medieval India? That is Sher Shah. Which country is called the land of lilies? That is Canada. Which country is called the land of lilies? This is Canada. Sayyid Amir Ali established Muslim League in London in 1908. Sayyid Amir Ali established Muslim League in London in 1908 में. The Declaration of Independence of United States of America which renounced on 4 जुलाई 1776 को, ठीक है, 4 जुलाई 1776. The Bolshevik Revolution is associated with Russia. The Bolshevik Revolution is associated with Russia. Nelson Mandela was the president of South Africa. Niagara Falls are situated between USA and Canada. McMahon Line is located between India and China. Helvetia is the old name of Switzerland. Helvetia is the old name of Switzerland, and Switzerland itself is the landlocked country. Helvetia is the old name of Switzerland. Name the country with the largest natural gas reserve. That is Russia. SAARC was formed in Dhaka. SAARC, SAARC was formed in Dhaka at 8 December 1985. 8 December 1985 उसकी पहली मीटिंग ढाका में ही होती। SAARC was formed in Dhaka on 8 December 1995. Next one, after independence, the first radio station was established at कराची. इंडिपेंडेंस से आज़ादी को मिलने के बाद सबसे पहला रेडियो स्टेशन कराची में लगाया गया, और इसके अलावा पाकिस्तान का सबसे बड़ा जो रेडियो स्टेशन है वो इस्लामाबाद का है. रेड क्रॉस वाज फाउंडेड बाय J.H. Dorrant. रेड क्रॉस वाज फाउंडेड बाय J.H. Dorrant. Who was the first leader of opposition in the first National Assembly Constitution under the 1962 Constitution of Pakistan? तो वो थी फातिमा जना. दोबारा सुने, who was the first leader of opposition in the National Assembly constituted under the 1962 Constitution of Pakistan? She was Muhtarama Fatima Jinnah, and Muhtarama Fatima Jinnah by professionally she was a dentist. Which Turkish tribe created Ottoman Empire? That is Anatolia. Which Turkish tribe created Ottoman Empire? That is Anatolia. Who led the Shimla deputation? Shimla deputation is led by Sir Aga Khan. Shimla deputation is led by Sir Aga Khan. Which country has won the first cricket World Cup? That is West Indies. दुनिया में सबसे पहला वर्ल्ड कप किसने जीता? वेस्ट इंडीज ने. अलेक्जेंडर द ग्रेट वाज द किंग ऑफ मकदूनिया. अलेक्जेंडर द ग्रेट वाज द किंग ऑफ मकदूनिया. सिग्मा फ्रॉडे is a psychiatrist who belong to Austria. Sigmund Freud is a psychiatrist who belong to Austria. What do you understand by ex officio? What do you understand by the term ex officio? That is in virtue of one's office. In virtue of one's office. Who authored the book History of God? That is written by Karen Armstrong. Who authored the book History of God? That is authored by Karen Armstrong. Okay. Next one, Association of Southeast Asia Nation, ASEAN. ASEAN was established in 9 August 1967. ASEAN was established in 9 August 1967 को. Headquarter of Organization of Islamic Cooperation is located in Jeddah. Greenwich, a city of London, is famous for calculating the time of all the countries, and the Greenwich is built in 1884. And all the countries are calculate their times according to the Greenwich. George Washington was succeeded by John Adams, while the second president of United States of America is John Adams. When did Pakistan first expedition land on Antarctica? On 15 January 1991. पाकिस्तान ने कब अंटार्कटिका में लैंड खरीदी? 15 जनवरी 1991 को. The origin of idea of Pakistan is associated with the name of Allama Iqbal. Which religious scholar tried to eradicate different innovation from the religion? तो हाजी शरायतुल्लाह. दोबारा सुने. Which religious scholar tried to eradicate different innovation from the religion? That is Haji Sharaitullah. First edition of Asr al-Sanadid appeared in 1846. First edition of Asr al-Sanadid appeared in 1846. Headquarter of World Economic Forum is situated in Davos, DAVOS. Headquarter of World Economic Forum is situated in Davos. Which was the first Ghazwa of Islam? That is Ghazwa Abwa, and the last Ghazwa of Islam, Ghazwa Tabuk. Which party won the election of October in 1990? That is the Islami Jamhuri Ittihad. Islami Jamhuri Ittihad won the 1990 election. Next one. Which country parliament has the largest membership? That is China. China is the largest membership of parliament, while the largest democracy is of India. What do you understand by ultra wires? Ultra wires is beyond one authority. What do you understand by ultra wires? Ultra wires is a term used to beyond one's authority. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan did his PhD from Leuven University of Belgium. Leuven University of Belgium. Mossad is a secret agency of Israel, which is the duration of one half of the hockey match, that is 35 minutes. Name the city which is seat of United Nations Organization International Court of Justice, that is Hague. East India Company occupied in Punjab in 1849. East India Company occupied in Punjab in 1849. Who was the founder of Mughal Empire? That is Zahiruddin Babur. Who wrote the book Great Tragedy by Zulfikar Ali Bhutto? Who was Napoleon's last battle in which he was captured and exiled to St. Helena? That was Battle of Waterloo. Battle of Waterloo. Next one, Nadir Shah invaded India during the reign of Muhammad Shah. Nadir Shah invaded India during the reign of Muhammad Shah. The Mughal emperor who died sudden fall from the stair, that was Humayun. The coin rupiah was first issued by Sher Shah Suri. Afghanistan gained its independence in 1921 under the leadership of Amanullah. दोबारा सुने. Afghanistan gained its independence in 1921 under the leadership of Amanullah. The difference in the duration of day and night increased as one moves from equator to poles. Atmospheric pressure at sea level is 760 mm. 760 mm, the atmospheric pressure at sea level. Which country awarded the Nobel Prize except Peace Nobel Prize, which is awarded in Norway? That is Sweden. Okay, the Stonehenge is among the 7 wonders of the world, that is situated in England. Which of the following straits separate Malaysia from Singapore? That is Johor Strait. दोबारा सुने. Which of the following straits separate Malaysia from Singapore? That is Johor Strait. Cathay Pacific is the name of airline of Hong Kong. The Winter Olympic Games was begun in 1924. Name the longest river of the Pakistan, that is Indus. They say its total length is 3180 km. Sandak project is producing copper, silver and gold with the help of China. दोबारा सुने. Sandak project is producing copper, silver and gold with the help of China. Which of the following are the biggest deposit of the coal in Pakistan? That is a Thar coal deposit. Which of the following are the biggest deposit of coal in Pakistan? That is a Thar coal deposit. Who compiled the first English dictionary? The first English dictionary compiled by Samuel Johnson. The famous poem Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is written by Jan Taylor. The famous poem Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is written by Jan Taylor. MI6 is the secret agency of Britannia. MI6 is the secret agency of Britannia. White Cane Day is observed on every year on 17th October. White Cane Day is observed on every year at 17th October. Central Asia became the part of Muslim Empire during the reign of Walid I. दोबारा सुने. Central Asia became the part of Muslim Empire during the reign of Walid I. Monsoon season in Pakistan start in July and end in September. Start in July and end in September. Which country is called the cockpit of Europe? That is Belgium. Headquarter of United Nations Fund for Population Activities, established in 1967, is located in New York. दोबारा सुने, headquarter of United Nations Fund for Population Activities, established in 1967 and is located in New York. Next one, the foreign phrase aqua pura means water. The foreign phrase aqua pura means water. World Environmental Day is observed on every year 5th June. World Environmental Day is observed on 5th June. Synagogue is a place of worship of which religion? Synagogue is a place of worship of which religion? That is for Judaism. Synagogue is a place of worship of Judaism religion. 15th conference of NAM, Non-Aligned Movement, were held in March 2008 in Sharm Sheikh, Egypt. ठीक है, शार्म शेख इजिप्ट में हुई. दोबारा सुने, हमने नैम को नॉन अलाइन्ड मूवमेंट को 1969 में ज्वाइन किया एंड द 15th कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ NAM वाज हेल्ड इन मार्च 2008 इन शार्म शेख, Egypt. What is the total length of the coastline of Pakistan? That is 1046 km. The Chashma nuclear plant built with the help of China. Which of the following country led the production of tea in the world? That is India. Khaliji dynasty was formed in India in 1290. Khaliji dynasty was formed in India in 1290. Pablo Picasso was a Spanish painter. According to Kabina mission plan, in which group Punjab and Sindh were included? That is the second. According to Kabina mission plan, in which group Punjab and Sindh were included? That is in the second. Where is the headquarter of Amnesty International? That is in London. Where is the headquarter of Amnesty International? It is in London. When Commonwealth was established? Commonwealth was established in 1931. Commonwealth was established in 1931. Which of the president of USA was involved in the Watergate scandal? That is Richard Nixon. Kingdom of Khwarizm was destroyed in 1218 से 1220 ईस्वी by Genghis Khan. Who was the first woman to climb Everest? That is Junko Tabby. Who was the first woman to climb Everest? Her name is Junko Tabby. Shimla Conference started in 24 June 1945. Shimla Conference started on 24 June 1945 को. Thanks.